Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Chevrolet Malibu in an LT trim and powered by a turbocharged 1.5 liter engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. Recently detailed, so it's nice and clean, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the trunk, which is pretty spacious and can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, which can be done from the rear with these levers. And underneath this cover, you have your spare wheel. And looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three with a full leather interior, fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a 12-volt, 120-volt power outlet and two USBs. And this vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat and a premium Bose sound system. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 80,405 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls to cycle through your information here, such as your trip A and B information, fuel range, oil life, tire pressures, fuel economy, digital speedometer. And you can also go into your audio, phone, and navigation controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to the left, you have your lane keeping system, cruise controls, and your pre-collision assist. Do also have your radio controls on the back side of your steering wheel. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, Bluetooth, and auxiliary, I believe, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You do have a navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going. And moving down from that, you have your hazards and then your climate controls with heated front seats, so you can stay warm. Down below that, you have this tray area with a 12-volt, two USBs, and auxiliary, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio. And then you have your main shifter here with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. You have your park assist sensor shut off and traction control shut off. And you have your two cup holders, a little cubby there, and then your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. And last but not least, you do have a power moonroof up top, so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.